In the current complex geopolitical landscape of the Middle East, the turmoil in the Strait of Hormuz has highlighted the fragility of traditional energy supply chains, especially for factories reliant on imported oil. The instability of these supply chains has become a major challenge for businesses, and our pyrolysis equipment offers an innovative solution to help enterprises establish autonomous and controllable energy supply chains. The core value of pyrolysis equipment lies in its ability to convert waste tires, plastic waste, and oil sludge into energy and raw materials, thereby reducing reliance on traditional fossil fuels. Its key advantages include diversified raw materials. Enterprises are not dependent on a single imported raw material, reducing the risk of supply chain disruptions. Distributed supply. The equipment can process waste locally at the consumption end, minimizing reliance on long-distance transportation. Resource autonomy. Activating waste resources forms a closed-loop energy supplementation system, enhancing energy independence. In the current geopolitical context, pyrolysis equipment is not only an environmentally compliant choice, but also a strategic safeguard to ensure the continuity of production. It provides businesses with stable and secure energy supplies, serving as the last line of defense against external supply disruptions.